Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home and garden tools. Today, we've got something special for all you garden enthusiasts out there. Say goodbye to cumbersome gas-powered weed eaters and tangled wires, because we're diving into the world of the best powerful weed whacker on the market. Introducing the cordless Weed Whacker, a game-changer in lawn care. This powerful tool is not just your ordinary trimmer. It's a versatile garden companion designed to make your gardening tasks a breeze. Let's talk power. With its high-performance motor boasting a maximum speed of 10,000 revolutions per minute and sharp blades, this weed whacker means business. But what sets it apart? It's cordless and battery-powered. No more hassle with gas or cords. Just grab and go. But wait, there's more. This multifunctional wonder isn't just for trimming grass. It's equipped with 3 types of blades: plastic, metal, and circular saw, catering to different needs from soft grass to denser weeds and small shrubs. Ergonomically designed with an adjustable handle and detachable extension pole, this weed whacker offers control and balance, whether you're trimming bushes or edging flower beds. Safety first. With its double-switch safety lock function, accidental activations are a thing of the past. Plus, the anti-collision metal pole protects your plants while ensuring the longevity of the blades. And did I mention it comes with not one, but two 12 volts 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries? That's up to 40 minutes of continuous use. Plus, it's lightweight at only 3.71 pounds, making it easy on the arms and shoulders. So there you have it, folks. The cordless weed whacker, the best powerful weed whacker you can get your hands on. Say hello to a beautifully manicured garden without the hassle. Until next time, happy gardening!